Want to replace or upgrade the Wi-Fi card in your Lenovo IdeaPad 1? It's easier than you think. I've done this dozens of times, and I'll show you step by step how to do it yourself in 10 minutes. Start by removing the 10 Phillips head screws on the bottom. Make sure you use the right screwdriver size. If the bit doesn't fit snugly, you'll strip the screw heads, and then opening the laptop becomes nearly impossible. A magnetic screwdriver set makes this much easier. It includes all the common sizes in one kit, and the magnetic tips hold those tiny screws so they don't disappear into your carpet. I've linked the set I use in the description. Now separate the bottom cover. The two halves are held together by plastic clips. You'll need a spudger for this. Slide it into the gap between the case halves and work your way around the edge to release the clips. You'll hear clicking sounds as the clips pop free. That's exactly the sound you want. Some resistance is normal, but don't force it. If you rush this, you can break the clips. Take your time and work carefully. Once all the clips are released, lift off the cover. Before you continue, not every card works in this laptop. I'll show you how to find the right one in a moment. If this video is helping you, leave a like. It supports the channel. Now disconnect the battery from the motherboard. This prevents short circuits in case you accidentally touch something with your screwdriver. Normally, you'd pull on the connector itself, not the cables. But this one is hard to reach. If you have to grab the cable, be very careful. You could easily tear the wires. Pull gently and it'll come loose. Now disconnect the antenna cables. These are just snapped onto the Wi-Fi card. Grip the connectors close to the base and lift them straight up. This prevents them from tearing off. Now remove the screw holding the card in place and pull it out. You can find the model number of your installed Wi-Fi card either here on the card itself or in Windows Device Manager. This laptop had a MediaTek MT7921 card installed, but that varies by laptop model. To open Device Manager, right-click the Windows Start button and select Device Manager. Under Network Adapters, you'll find your Wi-Fi card's model number. Important: Lenovo laptops can have a BIOS whitelist that only accepts certain cards. I've linked several cards in the video description. Now install the new card in reverse order, reconnect the antenna cables, and plug the battery back in. Your Wi-Fi will now work reliably again. If this helped you, please like and subscribe. For more upgrades, check out the next video.